GPT Healthcare is coming up with its IPO, which opens on February 22nd to February 26th. The company aims to raise a sum of Rs 525 crores. This issue includes a fresh issue of Rs 40 crores alongside an offer for sale of Rs 485 crores. The price band for this IPO is set between 177 rupees to 186 rupees per share, with a minimum lot size requirement of 80 shares. Retail investors looking to participate are required to invest a minimum amount of Rs 14,880. Coming to the objectives, the company intends to use Rs 300 crores of net proceeds from the IPO towards payment of debt and the rest for general corporate purposes. Now let's look at their business. GPT Healthcare is a leading healthcare provider in Eastern India. They run several mid-sized hospitals called ILS hospitals that offer a wide range of medical services with a focus on secondary and tertiary care. As of September 30th, 2023, they have 4 hospitals in West Bengal and Tripura with over 560 beds. Each hospital has various departments like cardiology, neurology and more, along with diagnostic tests and pharmacies. Out of the 4 hospitals of GPT Healthcare, Dum Hospital located in Kolkata has most number of beds as well as the highest bed occupancy rate. It also brings in the most revenue for the company. Agartala Hospital, on the other hand, has the second highest revenue, even though the bed occupancy rate is below 50%. They also have a nursing school in Agartala. Now coming to the market opportunity. Between the fiscal years 2018 and 2023, the Indian healthcare delivery market grew at a 10 to 12% CAGR, and it is estimated to grow at 9 to 11% CAGR between fiscal years 2024 and 2028. The healthcare industry in the eastern region is highly fragmented. There are multiple key private hospital chains like Apollo, Medica hospitals, etc. ILS Hospital stands as a key player in this region, particularly in Kolkata, where it boasts a significant number of hospital beds. However, Kolkata's bed-to-population ratio remains the lowest among India's metro cities, presenting a potential opportunity for GPT Healthcare to expand its bed capacity and further solidify its position in the market. Now let's look at the financials. GPT Healthcare's revenue grew at a CAGR of 22% from financial year 21 to financial year 23. This was backed by the jump in bed occupancy rate from 48 to 59% and the pickup in average revenue per operating bed from Rs 24,681 to Rs 29,671 in the same period. In the first half of fiscal year 2024, its revenue from operations grew 18.7% to Rs 204.17 crores. Net profit grew 38.3% to 23.48 crores in the first half of fiscal year 2024. ROE reflects how effectively a company generates profits from shareholders' equity. And GPT Healthcare return on equity has grown from 15.75% in financial year 21 to 23.59% in financial year 23. The company has a low debt to equity ratio of 0.32 and a high debt service coverage ratio of 2.75. Talking about valuations, compared to its competitors, GPT Healthcare has the lowest earnings per share of Rs 4.88, while Kovai Medical Center and Hospital has the highest DPS of Rs 105.8. At the upper price band of Rs 186, the company is valuing at PE of 38.1 times, relatively lower than some of its peers. Now the key strengths. GPT Healthcare has established a strong presence in Eastern India, enabling it to access undeserved healthcare market effectively. The hospital's average revenue generated per operating bed has been on the rise from 24,681 in financial year 21 to Rs 32,979 as of September 2023. Coming to the key weaknesses, revenue heavily relies on West Bengal's hospitals, so disruptions could impact the operations. The company faces competition from listed peers, risking market share and profitability. It is also subject to regulatory changes and compliance requirements, posing operational risks. Having said that, this is Aditi Priya signing off.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app, Informed Investor, to watch more such informative and interesting videos.
Equity investments are subject to market risk. Read all investment-related documents carefully. Visit www.researchandranking.com